Hare Krishna. In this video, I am going to discuss how to choose the right career for success. So, are you someone who is struggling with your career right now? Are you someone who is looking to switch your career, or are you someone who is trying to start a new career from scratch? So, in this video, I am going to tell you the 5 questions that you must ask to find the right career so that you can become successful for the long term. So before we jump in, let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Anand Chaudhary. I'm a dream manifestation coach and I am the founder of the Trailblazers Hub. I'm on a mission to bring 1 million dreams into reality by helping intuitive rebels manifest their dream life of meaning, passion, and purpose, and create trailblazers, making a massive impact in the world by using my dream trailblazer model. So I'm going to conduct a webinar where I'm going to discuss how to manifest your dream life, and I'm going to discuss my dream trailblazer model. So if you want to know more about it, the link is in the description below. Click on the link and join the waitlist. I will be announcing my date soon. So let's quickly jump into the video and let's discuss the 5 questions that you must ask to choose your right career. Let's go to the first question. Are you finding meaning in it? Most people, they fail to become successful in their careers because they are pursuing something that doesn't bring meaning into their life. I will tell you my personal story. Before I became a coach, I have changed more than 6 careers. So first, because I am an electrical and electronics engineer, so I got a placement in a windmill company. It was kind of a very supervisory job. I didn't like the job. I left it within 12 days. Then I was looking for a job in IT. Unfortunately, I didn't get that. I did some certifications. Then I tried for some government jobs. And luckily, on the first chance, I got 2 government jobs. Government, it means the public sector jobs. One in National Insurance Company. I was working as an assistant there for 6 months. Then I was also working in Syndicate Bank as a bank PO for more than 3.5 years. I hated that job, and I will tell you exactly what not to do. Then after leaving bank, I went into nutrition. I tried nutrition for quite some time. I didn't find it resonating with my life goals, so I left it. Then I tried my hands in music production. Also, there were other challenges. Even though I loved music production, even though I love to create music still now, but the challenges are different. In order to earn a living out of it, the challenges are different. So after that, I became a coach because becoming a life coach or becoming a coach that helps you to manifest your dreams is something that I can very personally relate with, and it gives me a lot of joy. So the thing is, like, see, I am able to find meaning in what I am able to do. So you have to also find a career that brings meaning in your life. If you're doing something meaningless, I don't think you can become successful, because whatever you think is important, you will give more importance to that, and you will only progress and you will only succeed at those things that you find important. Now, coming to the second question, are you creating an impact in the world with your work? Now, when I was working in bank, I could clearly remember I was given a bunch of keys. There was a bunch of keys which was meant for the locker room and the safe, and I used to carry it because I used to be the joint custodian, and I hated to carry those keys. I was feeling like this same thing can be done by some other person. Why am I doing this? Am I able to create an impact in the world? Now, some people may argue with me. They may say that no, as a banker, we can also create impact. It's good for you. But I didn't resonate with that. I didn't feel like I'm able to create any impact by working in a bank, that too in a retail banking. And also, it comes to personality types. My personality type, as I am the INFJ, I am more inclined towards creative careers. I'm not inclined towards careers that involves a lot of operations and supervisory work. So I didn't know all these things. 10 years back, when I started my banking career, I didn't know all these things. No one was there to guide me. And unfortunately, in India, career counseling is, I don't think, like, I'm sorry to all the career counselors, I don't know about you, but in my life, I've never come across any good career counselor. I never got any good advice. So I think this question is really important, where whatever career you want to pursue or whatever career you are pursuing right now, ask yourself a question: are you able to create an impact in the world with your work? You know, it's not just limited to creative work. You can create impact in anything, whatever you are doing. You can create impact. There are a lot of opportunities, but the thing is, like, are you able to resonate with those opportunities? Do you personally resonate with these opportunities? You have to ask yourself this question. Now let's come to the third question: are you using your natural talents to shine through? In the second question, remember I told you that I belong to the rarest personality type, that is INFJ personality type, and I am more aligned towards creative professions. So the thing is, are you using your natural talents to shine through in whatever profession you are right now? For me personally, I am more inclined towards topics of psychology, topics of humanity, topics of social science, where I'm able to create an impact, I'm able to help people directly. So the thing is, like, see, if I was still working in a bank, well, in bank also I'm doing customer service, but it is very, kind of, it's very mechanical job. You are not required to use psychology to understand things or to deliver your service. Now I'm not telling, it's, this video is not about banking versus other things. I'm just telling you my perspective about my background, whatever I had, whatever job experience I had, so that you can have one perspective around you and you will get some clarity around that. So always use your natural talents to shine through. For example, let's say you are a very good communicator, then you are good at delivering workshops. You can become a good trainer, just for example. You can also become a good salesman. You can also conduct meetings. There are a lot of opportunities. So you have to explore yourself, you have to explore through a lot of careers, then only you will be able to understand what are your natural talents. It's not that easy to just figure out, okay, this is my natural talent and this is my career. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of hit and trials. But if you really want to succeed in the long term, if you want to pick the best career, then you have to switch careers and you have to explore a bit. Now let's come to the fourth question: are you truly passionate to teach it to others? See, in the first question, what I told you, like, are you finding it meaningful? So if you are finding it meaningful, you will also be likely to be passionate to teach it to others. Now I will tell you, when I was pursuing a career in fitness, in nutrition, it is also a meaningful career. Definitely every person, they need guidance on fitness and nutrition, because health is wealth. If we don't have health, it is nothing. So it was meaningful definitely to me, but I was not that passionate to teach it to others. I was feeling like this is something any other person can also do. Means then again the third question comes: it was not one of my natural talents. And again it comes back to personality type. Now for those personality types who have sensing function, or let's say especially the introverted sensing function as one of their primary functions, they are more inclined to uh, jobs, to careers in fitness and nutrition, where they are able to help people with, this is the thing that you do, this is the wrong pose of doing this exercise, this is the right pose to doing it, this is the food that you should eat. For me, well, it is okay, but it is not my strongest talent. It's not my natural strength. So ask yourself this question: are you truly passionate to teach this to others? When it comes to psychology, when it comes to understanding personality types, when it comes to spirituality, law of attraction, when it comes to understanding emotional intelligence, when it comes to understanding sexuality, I'm super passionate about all these things, because I think if you have a knowledge about all these things, it is my perspective, then you can solve most of the problems faced by humanity. And I'm most inclined to careers that involves solving problems of humanity. So I'm truly passionate about what I'm doing right now, and I think you can feel this passion that's coming out. So if you want to truly be successful in your life, if you want to choose the career for success, make sure that you are passionate about teaching it to others. Because if you're passionate to teach it to others, that means you are really finding it meaningful, and you're thinking that this is something very important and this is something very exciting to work on. Now let's look at the fifth question, what you should ask: Are you willing to pursue it even without earning money? See, what happens is, I'm telling you, this is a very bitter truth, and no one talks about this. And this is the most, I think, this will be the biggest takeaway for you if you're watching this video right now. You know what? People, they will say, do something which you are passionate about, as I said you. But the problem happens because you will be tested. This is the law of nature, and you will be tested a million times before you will get the reward. So if you're trying something, if you're learning something, don't expect the results very soon. Never expect it. And this is how the universe will test you. If you're truly passionate about something, if you truly want to create an impact, if you're finding it a purpose to pursue that thing, whatever you are doing, then you have to keep working on. You have to fail a lot of times. You will fail a lot of times if you're truly learning the stuff. And if you're not learning it, if you're just looking for the results, you will fail, and then you will feel discouraged. You will feel discouraged, and you will feel like you shouldn't have tried something. You should have done that is tried and tested, and that is recommended by everyone. If you're truly looking for a career that can give you the fulfillment and that can give you the financial abundance that can make you successful in life, then you have to fail a lot of times. But failing where? You have to fail at something where you are finding meaning in it. You're failing at something, you should fail at something where you know that you can create an impact in the world when you become successful, where you know that you have the natural talent to shine through in that profession, and where you know that you're truly passionate to teach it to others. You know what? I'm telling you about myself. For the last 5 years, it's been a very tough battle after I left my banking job. But I was totally focused on learning these things because, see, money, I know that money will come. Money will eventually come. When you give value to the world, you will receive value from the world. When you give value to, when you create an impact in other people's lives, they will be ready to pay you. But the thing is, are you really, are you really interested to pursue it even when you are not getting paid? And that's the real test. That's the test that you have to go through. That's the fire where you have to pass through that fire. And if you give up, that means maybe that career is not good for you, or maybe maybe you are not ready for that success in that career. So so the fifth question is very important. Are you willing to pursue it even without earning money? So what I want you to do is, you take notes. You can download this template if you join my Facebook group, the Trailblazers Hub, where I will be sharing the templates of every single video that I create here on YouTube. So I want you to make an impact, not only in your life, but also in lives of people around the world. That is the reason why I'm on a mission to create trailblazers, so that collectively we can make a massive change in the world. This is the need of the hour. No one teaches you, the schools, especially, I don't like the schooling system, the society in which, like, everyone has to do the same thing without understanding the meaning behind it. And if you want to become great, if you want to do something extraordinary, then you have to take the extraordinary path. You cannot just follow what everyone else is doing. You cannot just follow what the 99% of the world is doing and expect the extraordinary results, expect the 1% result. You cannot follow the 99% and expect the 1% result. You have to be extraordinary. You have to think in a different way, what others are not thinking. This is the reason why I created my dream trailblazer model, and this is the reason why I want to help you. And why I want to help you, I'm looking for rebels. I'm looking for intuitive rebels who have faced a lot of pain in their life because they took a lot of risks. They experimented a lot with their life, and they truly want to create an impact in other people's lives. They truly want to become extraordinary. So if you want to know more about this, click in the link below. There's a link for the registration of webinar. I'll be announcing my date soon, so join the waitlist now. And I will tell you step by step how to manifest your dream life. Even if you don't have a dream, even if you don't know what's your purpose, I will tell you exactly how to find your purpose and how to find fulfillment in life by able to create impact in other people's lives. So if you found this video helpful, if you found this video valuable, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And make sure you click on the notification bell to get notified. So take care. See you in my next videos. Keep your dreams alive. Hare Krishna.